And we have here the OLight PL2 Valkryie. So we'll go ahead and take a look, see what's in the box. Just over here, a little welcome note. Thank you for being a part of the OLight family. Inside here, in the little cover, we have a Allen wrench, safety warnings, the user manual, the Glock key, depending on whether you're going to use this on a Picatinny rail or a Glock rail, the magnetic charging cord, and then we have the light itself. So as far as the light, it is a compact light, measures in at 2.02 inches by 1.26 by 1.28 inches. This would work on a variety of firearms, basically anything with a front rail, a compact or a full-size firearm, this would work. We have our throw lever here for installation and removal. This is one of the nice features that this light has. This rail clamp is fully adjustable so that when this locks into the rail, it's got the rail key right there, and then when this is locked in, you would be able to adjust the light itself forward and backward where it needs to be to fit, and then you'd lock that down, everything becomes nice and solid. There's the magnetic charge port right there. So as far as recharging the light, take your light here, you have your magnetic coupler, and connect it right on top there. That will glow red when it's recharging. When it's fully charged, that will glow green. So you can tell at a glance it's charged condition. You have two switches. Either switch operates it the same way. If you just press it down momentarily, it's a momentary switch. If you just hit it and let up, it stays on. Very simple, intuitive controls. Mini 2 is listed as being 600 lumens. After a short period of time, it will begin to dim. And after 10 minutes, it will drop down to 60 lumens to make sure that the internal circuitry and the battery does not overheat. It has a continuous runtime of up to 60 minutes on a charge. It's listed as being 2500 candela and 100 meter throw. It is IPX6 water resistant and drop rated to 1 meter, weighs 2.57 ounces. So this is the OLight PL2 Valkryie. There'll be a more in-depth review on my channel. A link should be right above.